Hello kids, today we are learn 0 to 20 and color name. So let's start. Sky blue color, dark green color, yellow color, blue color, light green color, peach pink color, red color, purple color and orange color. Let's draw. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's paint red color. Zero, orange color. 1, yellow color. 2, light green color. 3, purple color. 4, peach pink color. 5, blue color. 6, dark green color. 7, sky blue color. Eight. Red color. Nine. Orange color. 10. Yellow color. 11. Light green color. 12. Purple color. 13. Pink color. 14. Blue color. 15. Dark green color. 16. Sky blue color. 17. Red color. 18. Orange color. 19. Yellow color. 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye-bye. Purple color, blue color, orange color, brown color, gray color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, pink color, white color, yellow color, and pink color, red color. Capital letter A. A for apple. Small letter A. A for apple. Yellow color. Capital letter B. B for ball. Small letter B. B for ball. Orange color. Capital letter C. C for cow. Small letter C. C for cow. Sky blue color. Capital letter D. D for duck. Small letter D. D for duck. Black color. Capital letter E. E for elephant. Small letter E. E for elephant. Dark green color. Capital letter F. F for fish. Small letter F. F for fish. Red color. Capital letter Z. Z for girl. Small letter G. G for girl. Yellow color. Capital letter H. H for hand. Small letter H. H for hand. Orange color. Capital letter I. I for ice cream. Small letter I. I for ice cream. Sky blue color. Capital letter J. J for jar. Small letter J. J for jar. Black color. Capital letter K. K for key. Small letter K. K for key. Dark green color. Capital letter L. L for leaf. Small letter L. L for leaf. Red color. Capital letter M. M for moon. Small letter M. M for moon. Bye bye kids.